American Idol. Jamal Roberts and Thunderstorm Artist voted top 24's best. But who will be eliminated? The top 24 American Idol contestants sang for America's vote on Sunday and Monday night from Aulani, a Disney resort and spa in Hawaii. Judges Carrie Underwood, Lionel Richie, and Luke Bryan praised this year's talent as some of the best they've ever seen. But who was your favorite? And who will be the first 4 cent packing when the top 20 are revealed on Sunday, April 20? Following each night's performances, Gold Derby conducted a poll to see which artists are striking the chord with viewers. After thousands of votes were cast, Jamal Roberts came out on top Sunday night with his performance of Liar by Jelly Roll. Trailing closely behind were Slater Nally, Over the Rainbow, Brianna Nix, Still Rolling Stones, and Gabby Samon, It's All Coming Back to Me Now. Here are the full poll results for Sunday. Jamal Roberts, 24.9%. Slater Nally, 20.95%. Brianna Nix, 20.95%. Gabby Samon, 9.49%. Bailey Littrell, 4.94%. MKLI, 4.55%. Victor Solomon, 3.95%. Colby Jordan, 3.36%. Isaiah Messiah-Legalu, 1.78%. Zaylee Windsor, 1.78%. Penny Selmar, 1.78%. Shay, 1.58%. Based on this poll, Gold Derby predicts the 2 eliminated contestants from Sunday night will be Penny Selmar and Shay. But Zaylee Windsor and Isaiah Messiah-Legalu could also be in danger. For Monday, Thunderstorm Artist won the night with his performance of Is This Love by Bob Marley. He was followed by John Foster, Colin Baton Rouge, Amanda Perez, Defying Gravity, Maddie Pruitt, Wide Awake, and Canon James Hill, Glory to Glory to Glory. Here are the full poll results for Monday. Thunderstorm Artist, 19.19%. John Foster, 14.52%. Amanda Perez, 10.48%. Maddie Pruitt, 9.60%. Canon James Hill, 9.33%. Olivier Bergeron, 8.54%. Drew Wren, 7.22%. Philo, 6.16%. Josh King, 5.55%. Grayson Torrance, 3.52%. Desmond Roberts, 2.99%. Kiana Fanning, 2.90%. Based on this poll, Gold Derby predicts the 2 eliminated contestants from Monday night will be Kiana Fanning and Desmond Roberts, but Grayson Torrance and Josh King shouldn't get too comfortable. See the top 20 reveal on a special 3-hour live episode of American Idol on Sunday, April 20 to 8 p.m. ET/5 p.m. PT on ABC, when they each perform Songs of Faith with special guests Jelly Roll, Brandon Lake, Cece Winans, and Season 22 alum Roman Collins.